Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to save WhatsApp display picture. So the first thing you do is open up your WhatsApp. Then you choose display picture you want to save. So let's say I want to save this particular display picture. Now there is no option. The only option for it is the share icon. Tap on it and you share it to someone. You can see, but you can also save it by keep putting it in your files here. So after tapping on the share, you tap on files, then it will be downloaded. One file saved to downloads. So that's the first way to save it. The second way to do that is to use an external software. For example, I have this software called private snapshot, this particular one over here.
This particular one can be used to take pictures and then you save it. As simple as that.